Add 1 minced garlic clove. Add 1/4 cup chopped celery. Also add 1/8 of a cup chopped onion. Add 1/4 of a cup minced mushrooms. Add 1/4 cup of milk. Add 1 cup of water. Add a teaspoon of sage. Add a half teaspoon of seasoned spice. Check my channel for the dehydrator episodes where this mixture is made. Add a half of a teaspoon of dry mustard. Add a dash of garlic powder. Add a dash of onion powder. Add a half of a teaspoon of pepper. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add a half of a teaspoon of oregano. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. I used olive oil, but canola oil, margarine or butter, or any other oil you prefer can be used. Add an egg. Add 4 cups of flour. Add a teaspoon and a half of bread machine yeast. Place the pail in the bread machine and choose your baking mode for basic bread. Let the machine mix and bake your loaf. When the loaf is ready, dump it out onto a clean surface and then cool. Cut the loaf into cubes. Place the cubed bread in a 200-degree Fahrenheit oven until they are dry like croutons. Use this to make your stuffing for a turkey or chicken. Enjoy!